Hey guys, welcome to week 5. When you open your week 5 folder, you're going to see a lot of documents, but don't worry, we're going to go through them and you will know exactly what these are for. So obviously the chapter that you're working on is the chapter 3. So if all these 3 documents, it is the outline, it is the PowerPoint, and this is the video for this PowerPoint. Okay, this is an extra article that I have put there that talks about the different scales of measurements if you want to read as you are going through the PowerPoint. So here is, there are 2 things that are due this week. One is the final research question and the other is your assignment 2. The final research question is really just copy and paste your research question from your discussion board. That is all it is. So here is the rubric. You can look at the rubric and you will see, depending on whether you have a qualitative research question or a quantitative research question. It is for 5 points. And here is your Dropbox for it. And for your assignment 2, here is actually, let me open this up. So submit your final research question in a Word document, identify the type, the variables, and make sure you see the rubric and include all the criteria. So you're literally copying, pasting your research question, the type, and the variables over here. So this is, I am going to move this rubric down here so that you have it right besides each other. And so the next thing is that you're doing is your assignment 2. Your assignment 2 is some questions that you have to answer reading the articles. Okay, so here is the 2 articles, the Oman article and the Harris article. And this is your Dropbox for assignment 2. Your assignment 2 is for 25 points. Your research question is for 5 points. So let me go through these once again so that you know. This is your chapter 3 outline, the PowerPoint, the video for it. This is an extra article that you need if you want to read it. These 2 articles you need for your assignment 2, and there are questions and everything given in the assignment 2. This is your rubric for the final research question. This is the assignment and this is the Dropbox. And here is your assignment 2 Dropbox. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. This is going to be posted right here which says Watch Me First for this week.